Hi, I'm Kip Thiel. I'd like to talk to you today about Cedar Mountain Subdivision, located on TriPower Court. The easiest directions to that, it's in Cody, Wyoming. If you're heading west on Main Street, which is Sheridan Avenue, you'd take a right at the Irma, which is 12th Street. You'd follow that down below the hill, and we're immediately on your left at the bottom of the hill. Some things I like about the location of the subdivision is that it's within walking distance to downtown Cody, the high school, elementary school, the river, established parks, walking trails, baseball fields. It's really in just a great location to be in town in Cody. Currently we're on the tail end of the subdivision. We have 3 lots left to build on, 1 home that's completed and ready to move into.
Alright, so down here we got TriPower Court on our left window here. Look down there, you'll see we've got 3 buildable lots left. There's 2 up there in the cul-de-sac and 1 between what's there is a foundation and the house.
Some of the things I really like about the subdivision, one thing we do is we landscape all the yards as we go, so that way you don't get, when you go down the street, everybody's yard's done and green. You don't have that one person that's kind of got left undone. Some other things I really like about it, we have alley access all the way around the subdivision, so that allows you to access your lot or your home from 2 sides, 3 if you have a corner lot. That also provides you the flexibility to possibly build a garage or a storage shed and have access off the alley at some other point in time. It also gives you dumpsters in the alley rather than rollouts for garbage cans. We have a wide variety of plans you can choose from, ranging from single level ranches on a crawl space from 1,000 up to 1,500 with a double garage, single garage. We do bi-levels that are a little over 900, closer to 1,000 square foot per floor, so you wind up with 18 to 2,000 square foot finish there in a single car garage, or we can do a double. If you get in early enough in the process and you decide which plan you'd like to do, and we can fit it on one of the lots, then what we can do is that allows you to pick a lot of your own colors and put a lot of your own finishing touches on it. We're pretty flexible to make it pretty customizable to your taste and your lifestyle. So if you have any questions or you'd like to discuss anything, feel free to contact us. Thank you.